Tip nam taki khubor like kam te gidon ki kam ke balaj apok Office of the State Mission Director Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission te ki post ki debej contractual basis pat phya pandap ru online bej ka link an sa bu apok description nam takani ka form an pandap te baro phya pandap online bej don offline ma te ngin pulei kita ki post ki balaj kapaning ka state program coordinator phya bandap BE BTech IT lane computer science lane data science or related fields and MBA or MEM Tech IT lane master in computer application MSc IT tuba dan kam as name experience dan kam kane lat nak ka post tenam ta ka state manager IT bela dan kane ko ju hi shabda ka BE lane BTech IT computer science data science or related field kawi nita or MEM Tech or master in computer application ka ju hi tuba kane beda dan kam as name experience tangkawi post ke balat hang neru ta ka state manager administration kane bede any graduate with MCom lane MBA lane PGDM 2 years with proven experience 3+ in digital health habdan kam baik experience lada fidan lab apply kane ro shi tangkawi post the accountant bre master in commerce accountancy with 2 years of relevant experience dan kam lada pide MCom dan kam asnam experience lada BCom gade 4 years of experience pide accountancy ma relevant experience prefer shall be given to candidate we have used Tally to maintain account in previous work experience tila pidan kita ki experience pila ban apply jaga gadon tangkawi ka post hang neru te ko bun plat hang ne kade jongka block data processing assistant kidan kumba ar photali ki post any graduate with DCA PGDCA mut kibadap ya diploma in computer application and postgraduate any makla habndap ka graduate te she's name experience in healthcare sector or other socio-economic scheme at state or national level tel da pidon ya kata ka experience ka she's name pila apply ma kidan ar photali ki post tama nakan mau bakadai ka contractual basis teman pendap online bench siap scan gitu submit teka link lah buah pokok description tesa pendap te tanggi negi jeng putip publish bun